Hello everybody, Steve Nurre here. Just with another little interesting trade example here on today's October 23rd, 2015. It's a Friday. This is coming off of yesterday's big collapse in the euro, off of the Draghi statements and the euro being sold, and of course the dollar actually getting very, very strong. Another example of a trade we did in the live trading class this morning. One thing that we are waiting on for the euro dollar to do is, after the big precipitous move it had yesterday, it had consolidated right. Actually, this consolidation, let me bring that down real quick. This consolidation right in through here was right around the 111 level. When we started the trading class this morning, we were just simply waiting for it to break into a new low right down here, which it did. We felt if it broke into a new low, the euro would continue getting weaker. This was confirmed by the fact that the LP trend line has been down. I mean, obviously, it consolidated while the euro dollar consolidated, but it's still overall even longer term. You look at the euro this longer term, and you can see the LP trend line is down. The LP trend is down right down here on the cumulative. So essentially what that's telling us is to take short signals when we see that the overall trend of the liquidity providers is down. Definitely to take some short signals there. So that gives us our two levels. We were breaking through into a new low for the day. We were breaking down into we were in a negative trend line for the liquidity providers, showing to sell it. We had our trigger right when it was breaking through the low. It was right at a -5 on the PitView indicator on the 1 hour totals. So there's our three arrows to the downside. We went ahead and took our short. We ended up getting it right at around the 110.58 level. And so that's where we took our short, was right in here. We put our stop. We actually just, since it's a Friday, we put our stop right up above the swing high. So our stop was actually right up above this swing high. Because of the volatility in the euro, we were looking for 50 pips. 50 pips from our entry, which from our entry would have been right around in here. And you can see we were able to catch our 50 pips right down in there to hit our take profit. So day's not over yet, but able to hit 50 pips on the euro dollar on a short. Again, just a pretty clear-cut example. Just looking for the euro dollar to break into a new low out of consolidation. We had -5. We have downward trending liquidity provider trend line. And we have a -5, which is our kind of our confirmation that we do have most of the LP activity favoring the sell side. So key levels, PitView indicator and the LP trend line all working in tandem with one another to capture another 50 pips on the euro dollar today. All in all, in the last 2 days, we've captured almost 100 pips on the euro dollar. I know it's fallen over 300 something, but you're always pretty happy in 2 days as a trader when you're able to capture that amount. Once again, if you're interested, you can always come up and see these trades live in our live trading class at PitView.com. You can enroll for those under the Steve Swing Trading classes or live swing trading classes. But this is Steve Nurre signing off. Have a great weekend. Thanks for coming in.